at IP Capital have a vision to harness these technologies to accelerate value creation in the new digital era and, in turn, transform the world. IP Capital is an international company committed to providing users with a comprehensive suite of digital asset services. We specialize in research and development into the future of fintech, such as quantitative trading, leveraged AI trading systems, cloud storage systems, and enterprise management software. At IP Capital, we have sworn to uphold the principles of professionalism, innovation, collaboration, and integrity to constantly create and redefine value for our clients by analyzing new opportunities, continuously building relationships, and executing the best strategies with our clients in mind. IP Capital have achieved tremendous success in the market within a short period of time. We are proud to serve users and enterprises from over 10 countries, and we will continue to inspire and drive every individual and business in the world. After years of dedicated research and development, the team has released 2 new exciting products. First, the Artificial Intelligence Analysis AIA bot system, an automated trading system that uses our proprietary AI predictive analytics to analyze trading patterns, determine trends, and automatically execute trades. The second, IP Cloud, is a diversified asset management platform that can provide reliable custodian services for both enterprises and individual users. Users can also easily manage and grow their digital asset portfolio with us by trading or staking within IP Cloud. With an emphasis on continuous innovation, we are inventing new paths and breaking the old ways. Our high-quality products and solutions will help users survive in the new financial markets. Join us to build a better tomorrow and shape the future of fintech.